What's up, guys? It's Naruto from Naruto, not from Boruto. And today we're in a kitchen, not mine, and I'm gonna be doing some quick microwavable recipes that I thought would be cool. I got them from this video called 45 Quick Microwave Recipes to Make in 1 Minute. So they should be fast and hopefully they work. We'll see if they do. The first one that I'm gonna do is this Nutella one. It looks like, let's just watch it. Okay, so there's no measurements, okay? That's cool. Okay, so gonna make it in a mug to microwave. A couple scoops of Nutella, it looks like. I guess this makes a Nutella cake, mug cake thing. I have a camera down here to show you what's going on. Oh, an egg. Immediately there's a shell in it. Okay, pour that in. Okay, now I have to see, I have to guess based on visuals alone how much flour is in here. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see how this goes. Okay, not stirring very well. In my real house, I don't have a microwave, so I had to find this house randomly. I just walked into someone's house. I said, hey, I'm Naruto from Naruto, not from Boruto because I'm not that old. Can I use your kitchen? They said, yeah. Looks like dough. They just kind of put it in the microwave, like as is. I think I might put a plate underneath it in case it overflows or something, because you don't want that. All right, for 1 minute. Oh, it's very not cooked. It's very not cooked at all. Oh, it's basically dough still. Okay, maybe I need to cook it like another 2 minutes or something, because as you can see, it looks like doo-doo. Like liquid hot doo-doo. Okay, about another minute in here. Let's see how she looks. Oh, it smells petite, like it has burnt. Oh, no, it's not burnt. Oh. All right, so, ow, it's very hot. Okay, so it kind of is doughy now, I guess. Honestly, it smells a little like it's burning. So maybe we won't put it in the microwave anymore. Bon appetit! It's okay. Meh. It's not life-changing. Tastes like Nutella. I mean, that's what you get. Alright, so the next recipe. So you take, it's a meringue, you take powdered sugar and an egg, and then you knead it together. Form it into balls, okay? Put it on parchment paper. And microwave for 2 minutes. Alright. So, oh, once again, no amount of anything, no measurements. So I'm going off of visuals. I guess, I mean, I know there's one egg. Okay. So, an unlisted amount of powdered sugar. Okay. They have this really weird technique that they use to separate the egg, like in a mug. So I guess we'll try it that way, because whatever. I can do whatever I want. I am an adult, but I'm not old enough to be in Boruto yet, you know what I mean? So apparently you put it on put it on the plate and you just get the white stuff. Go like this. No. It's like nothing. What the heck? Ah. All right. Oh my god. I guess I'll set this aside for later to give to someone as a gift. Sweet. Parchment paper. It won't catch on fire, will it? No, because it goes in the oven. Duh. Okay. Problem solved. All right. Okay, well, let's just leave it with that and see what happens. It's stuck to the parchment paper. They got 4 and I got 2. Okay, let me just give her a little taste. Yeah, that's like royal icing. Is it not? I kind of like it. Microwave it for dos. Oh god, okay. Another minute, I guess. It's, doesn't look good. It really doesn't. Here it is. First kind of look. Oh, it's rock solid. Okay. Oh. It's supposed to pull apart, I think, and it's supposed to be like crunchy on the outside, and like you pull it apart and it's like chewy on the inside. That's not the case here. This is not good. I'll try some. It just tastes sweet. Like it tastes a little bit like burnt plastic too. Maybe that's because of the parchment paper, who knows, but like, I wonder if I poked in the middle, what would happen? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's steaming on the back. I just kind of knew going into this one would not work out, so I'm like not really surprised by this, but also I didn't think it would get this bad, you know what I mean? It's kind of fun to play with. I'm very confused by the science behind this, I'll tell you that. Okay, well, I'll leave this here, just so we can look at it in the back and appreciate the hard work I put into it. The last one I'm doing is a little mini cinnamon bun in a mug. This one requires the most work, I think. You have to knead the dough and like roll it up, make it look all fancy, so it requires the most work, but maybe it'll turn out the best, who knows. So let's see how they make it. No measurements for the third time. I'm gonna guess just throughout this whole video there's no measurements. All right, I have a direction I'm going in. So let's start with half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt. That'd be really salty, I feel like. Okay, well, I don't know. That's just a guess. Put a half cup of milk in there. Actually, you know what? Let's just start with this much. Oh no, I think I'm catching feelings. Got a dough. We gotta roll her out. Cinnamon, I'm not even gonna measure it, I'm just gonna dump it on because the more cinnamon the merrier, am I right? Finger it, spank it a little, get it nice and deep in there. Brown sugar. And then we also just kind of massage in the brown sugar. This is a lot of sugar, it might be too much. All right, so roll her up. Beautiful. There she is, all nestled in her bed chambers. What the heck was that? Butter? What was that? What the heck was that? I don't know. Okay, they poured some unknown, clear, syrupy looking substance over it and then put it in the microwave. Let's just do butter. See what happens. Yeah, because it needs like an oil to cook or something. I don't know. Okay. 90 seconds. Let's do this. It's oozing something. It looks like it just squirted. Oh. There was a bit of an explosion. Smells good. I'm gonna pour it out just so we can see how it looks. Okay, so got some drip. Oh. We'll extract her. Let's cut her open. Honestly, this one does not look that bad. This one's not that bad. It's pretty good. This one's really good. Oh my god. All right, so I have my 3 creations out here with me in order of which one I like the best to worst. The worst one being this rock solid candy nightmare that it gets worse the longer it sits, it seems like. Number 2 is this Nutella cake thing. Actually, it's not that bad. This one's pretty good. It kind of tastes like a brownie. But coming in at number 1 is the cinnamon bun. Okay, well, it's really good. I just bit into it and it had a kind of a squeaky texture. That's fine though. This one's my favorite so far, so. Here you go. 3 creations. I made it in the microwave. And you can too, if you follow those instructions kind of at home. Thanks everyone for joining me in Naruto's kitchen, even though it's not my kitchen, and I'm Naruto, not from Baruto. And that's all I have to say for now. So stay safe. Make these if you want. Doesn't cause a fire. That was my biggest concern. And yeah.